Best DDR5 RAM review helps users choose faster memory, improve performance, ensure compatibility, and avoid costly buying mistakes efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 RAM review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ATEC 8GB DDR5 5200 MHz. ATEC DDR5 RAM module is a reliable upgrade option for compatible desktop and workstation systems, delivering improved speed and responsiveness for everyday computing and multitasking. This single 8GB DDR5 DIMM, 288-pin, runs up to 5200 MHz, PC5-41600, helping reduce system bottlenecks and improving overall performance in memory-intensive tasks. Built as a non-ECC unbuffered UDIMM with one RX16 single-rank design, it follows JEDEC DDR5 standards at 1.1V, ensuring stable and efficient power usage. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable even for users without technical expertise. Whether upgrading an older setup or building a new system, this module enhances smooth operation, faster load times, and better application handling. Each unit is rigorously tested for reliability and backed by a limited lifetime warranty from ATEC, along with responsive customer support, giving users confidence in long-term durability and consistent performance. This makes it a cost-effective and dependable memory upgrade for modern computing needs and productivity workloads. Now our second product is TeamGroup T-Force Vulkan DDR5 32GB. DDR5 memory from TeamGroup represents a next-generation upgrade designed for high-performance desktops and workstations. It is compatible with Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets and supports Intel XMP 3.0 for easy one-click overclocking performance tuning. A refined sleek design with reinforced structure improves cooling efficiency while maintaining durability under heavy workloads. Built-in PMIC power management ensures stable and efficient power delivery with enhanced thermal control and reliability. On-die ECC and high-quality ICs further enhance system stability, reducing errors and improving long-term consistency. TAMGROUP provides a lifetime warranty along with free technical support through its official customer service channels. Users should check motherboard QVL lists and ensure CPU IMC and BIOS compatibility before purchase to achieve optimal performance results. Overall, it delivers stable, fast, and efficient DDR5 performance suitable for gaming, productivity, and professional workloads. Always refer to official specifications as motherboard and CPU variations may affect achievable memory speeds. Ensuring balanced system configuration guarantees best real-world performance and stability results. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB. This DDR5 memory from Corsair is designed for users who want both high performance and striking aesthetics in a modern PC build. It delivers maximum bandwidth and tight response timings, optimized for the latest Intel DDR5 platforms, making it ideal for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. However, achieving peak advertised speeds requires overclocking through BIOS adjustments, and real-world performance depends on motherboard quality, CPU memory controller, and overall system configuration. A standout feature is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, with 10 individually addressable LEDs per module, creating a vivid, panoramic lighting effect visible from any angle. The onboard voltage regulation enhances stability and allows more precise tuning through Corsair ICUE software, improving overclocking control compared to traditional motherboard-based management. With custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, users can fine-tune performance for different tasks and save personalized settings easily. Overall, it combines premium DDR5 speed, advanced tuning flexibility, and striking RGB design for high-end PC enthusiasts seeking performance and style in one package. Now number 4, Lexar Thor Z-Series RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB Kit. The Lexar Thor Z-Series RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB Kit, 2x16GB, is a high-performance memory solution designed for next-gen gaming rigs and professional workstations. Running at a blazing 6000 MHz with CL38 latency, it delivers fast data transfer speeds up to 6,000 metric tons per second, ensuring smooth multitasking, faster load times, and a clear advantage in demanding applications in modern AAA games. Built with a sleek sandblasted aluminum heatsink, it combines premium aesthetics with strong thermal control, keeping temperatures stable during extended high-load sessions. The enhanced RGB lighting adds a vibrant, customizable visual experience, allowing synchronization with other components for a unified gaming setup. Stability is reinforced through on-die ACC for automatic error correction and a PMIC for efficient power regulation, improving both reliability and energy efficiency. With support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, users can unlock one-click overclocking for effortless performance tuning. Overall, it offers a balanced mix of speed, stability, cooling, and style for modern PC builds. And our last choice is Nemix RAM 256GB DDR5. Nemix RAM positions itself as a focused manufacturer and distributor of memory and storage upgrades, targeting both enterprise and everyday computing environments. Its product range spans server and workstation RAM, ECC modules, and specialized memory for NAS systems, as well as standard upgrades for PCs, Macs, and laptops. The core value proposition is straightforward. Upgrading memory remains one of the most cost-effective ways to improve system responsiveness, multitasking capability, and overall computing efficiency. Installation is designed to be simple, often requiring only a few minutes for most users, provided motherboard compatibility and system specifications are properly checked beforehand. The company emphasizes quality assurance, offering lifetime replacement warranty coverage and dedicated technical support from experienced IT staff, which adds confidence for professional deployments. Overall, Nemix RAM focuses on reliability, enterprise-grade stability, and long-term support rather than flashy features, making it suitable for users prioritizing dependable performance upgrades and system longevity over consumer-oriented aesthetics or overclocking features. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.